Well, it's Monday morning here in Pedasi, and here the guys are getting their kites ready to go. As you can see, they pumped them up a bit, and these guys will be out on the ocean and just having a great time. And the air that these guys get is just incredible. And I'll just show you a little more. It's quite the deal. This is one of the many activities here in Pedasi, and it's growing and growing in popularity down here. Like I say, it's really nice to see things are getting better. So there they go, and they're heading for Isle of Iguana. It'll be quite a ride for those folks anyways. Down here we're only allowed 4 to the boats right now, just because of COVID, but that's fine. We can put up with that. At least some of our guys are getting trips to the island, and this is how these guys make their living. So it's imperative that the tourism keeps going here. There's the island off in the distance. That's an 8-kilometer boat ride. Wow, here they are, and the first kite has just lifted, and boy, they lift up quick. There it is. Here they are getting ready to get their boards. He is getting ready to launch. He's got his getting his feet in there. You can see he's wiggling his feet. And up he goes. Oh, almost. He's out there. You can see these guys are just clipping along. Oh, and there's some serious air right there. Now, kite number 2 ready to go. Well, all 3 are up there now. Let's zoom in a bit here on them. One of the joys about being down here in Pedasi, Panama. These are young guys, and they're probably living and working online down here, and this is kind of the thing you can do nowadays. You know, all this working online. And Pedasi, believe it or not, has fiber optics throughout Pedasi now. They've been bringing in fiber optics, and we have lightning fast internet, and our internet with fiber optics is about $39 a month, if you can believe that. And Shelby just loves it because it is lightning fast, And yeah, this is one of the joys of living down here. If you could imagine, Shelby and I live on about I think she said $600 to $800 a month. That's our groceries, everything, you know. So yeah, we'll talk about that in a different segment about what our costs are. But it'll just knock your socks off when I tell you what some of the actual costs to live down here are. It's pretty amazing. So yeah, just watch these guys and like I always say, it's a tough life down here, but it's not for everybody. But I'll tell you what, it's for a lot of us. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and definitely subscribe, and for sure comment. We love to hear from all of you, and we'll see you soon.